caught up in a lie. If it's true, then you should be down to ride.
I can't even lie, yeah. Shawty, you got the whole world in her eyes. I'm about to penthouse just so you can see the sky. And I heard your bro got killed, no it wouldn't happen if it was mine. I've been trying to stop these pills, but I be falling, figure out the line. Trying to kill the vibe, pushes to the foreign, fucked around, had switched the ride. It's feeling like my heart broken, no time's rolling. I'm sipping on this dirty potion.